ma-check natin. So yung given, long division muna natin para safe pag na-synthetic trinomial. Anyways, sabi na tayong x squared minus 6x plus 9 yung divisor. Yung dividend natin is 4x raised to 5 minus 25x raised to 4 plus 40x cubed plus 3x squared minus 18x. So ito na muna, long division. Mamaya na, tingnan muna natin kung ano mangyayari. Okay na. Ngayon, dahil okay naman yung exponents, di ba? Pang 5, 4, 3, 2, tapos 1. Wala kang constant. Pero tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. So, first term sa first term, pag dinivide, magiging 4x raised to 3 or 4x cubed. Lagay natin yung dito. 4x cubed. Then, multiply natin ito sa lahat ng terms sa right sa divisor. Ito, dito, dito, tsaka dito. So, 4x cubed times x squared, magiging 4x raised to 5. 4x cubed times negative 6x, magiging negative 24x cubed. X raised to 4. Then, 4x cubed times 9, magiging 36x cubed plus 36x cubed. So, subtract na natin. Sabi ko nga last time, kapag nag-subtract, lahat ng terms magpapalit ng sign. So, ibig sabihin, magiging 4x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 5, makakancel na yun. Then, yung negative 25x raised to 4 plus 24x raised to 4, magiging x raised to 4 na yun. Kasi 1 na lang. Tapos, yung 40x cubed minus 36x cubed, magiging plus 4x cubed na. Then, bring down natin yung next number, which is plus 3x squared. Then, first term, sa first term ulit, pag magdi-divide, then, x raised to 4, divide x squared. Ayaw nga, negative, sorry. So, negative po. Buti na natin, naiintindihan natin, ha. Ito lang na may mali. So, okay na. So, negative x raised to 4, divide x squared, magiging negative x squared. Then, multiply natin tong buong term na to, dito, magiging negative x raised to 4, then, negative x squared, times negative 6, negative x squared, times negative 6x, magiging positive yun, 6x cubed. Then, negative x squared, divide times 9, magiging negative 9x squared. Then, same process, pag sinubtract, lahat ng terms magpapalit ng sign. So, magkakaroon ka ng negative x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4, makakancel na yun kasi opposite sign. So, 4x cubed minus 6x cubed, magiging negative 2x cubed. Then, 3x squared plus 9x squared, magiging positive 12x squared. Then, bring down na natin yung next number, which is yung negative 18x. Then, first term sa first term. So, negative 2x cubed divide x squared, magiging negative 2x. Then, negative 2x times x squared, magiging negative 2x cubed. And negative 2x times negative 6x, magiging positive 12x squared. Then, negative 2x times positive 9, magiging negative 18x. Then, pag sinubtract natin, sabi natin kanina, lahat ng sign magpapalit sa kada terms. So, lahat ito ay opposite sign na, makakancel to, wala tayong remainder. Which means, yung final answer natin will be 4x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. So, ito siya sa long division. How about synthetic? Synthetic, try din natin para may 2 ways ka para mag-solve. Kasi trinomial siya eh. Pero try natin kung ano magagawa natin. Okay, kung sa likod. So, x squared minus 6x plus 9, yung divisor natin. So, kapag ganito na, pwede naman, pagpapalitin mo lang ito ng sign. Sabihin kung negative yung second term, magiging 6 na lang yung dito. Tapos yung positive 9, magiging negative 9. Ito yung gagamitin natin pang divide sa kanila. Pang multiply, I mean. Yung opposite sign ng b tsaka ng constant. Hindi na. So, okay naman yung ano natin, yung 4, negative 25, 40, 3, and negative 18. Kunin lang natin. So, magkaroon ka ng 4, negative 25, 40, 3, negative 18. So, try na natin. So, magkakaroon ka dyan ng dalawang line. Kasi, trinomial yung divisor. Ang balikat ko. Pardon. Anyways, try na natin. So, bring down lang natin tong first number. Tapos yung second number. So, pag multiply natin to dito, sa una, lalagay mo dito yan sa fourth row, which is 24 yun. Then, multiply mo naman to dito. Pagkatapos mo doon, dito ka naman. Ibig sabihin, ito yung unang pag-multiply. Then, ito yung pangalawang pag-multiply. So, 4 times negative 9 is negative 36. Dito mo yung ilalagay sa second row. Then, after that, plus mo to, magkakaroon ka dyan ng 4, positive. Then, i-add mo rin to, magiging negative 1. Then, after that, same process, multiply mo sa una, magiging negative 6 yun, lagay mo dito. Tapos yung pangalawa is magiging positive 9, lagay mo dito. Then after that, add ulit natin to, magiging 12 yun. Tapos eto magiging negative 2. Then same process, negative times 6 is negative 12. Then negative 2 times negative 9 is positive 18. So, eto ay 0, eto ay 0. So, wala tayong remainder. So, may space ba ganyan din na? Kasi binomial. Wherein, kung yung given natin, yung dividend is naka-raise to 5, ima-minus mo yon sa exponent ng divisor mo, which is yung 2. Ibig sabihin, magiging 4x cubed na to. Tapos, magbabawas ka lang ng exponent na isa, magiging 1x squared or x squared na lang, minus 2x. Ito na yung sagot. Wala tayong remainder. So, pares lang sila. Naintindihan mo? Gets mo ba? Hindi mo na gets. Post ko na lang to ulit. Ano sa'yo ice cream? Sige.